sails. Oh, taking off. Upside down on the wing. What on earth does your life perspective look like that? Young ladies on the roof. Since 1984, base AeroSuperBatics have been the operators of famous airshow teams including Crunchy Flying Circus, the Austin Buckley, the Gurnall Wingwalkers, the Brightling Wingwalkers. They've done these shows throughout Europe, the Middle East, China, Japan, India, Australia, the Philippines. Guinness World Record holders featured in numerous TV shows, wingwalking with world-renowned athletes and celebrities, based at their own airfield at Rencoop, down by Gloucestershire. Fuselage is a welded steel tube and the wing spars and ribs are made of wood, both covered in fabric.
So who are the Red Devils? Well, we were formed in 1964 by Lieutenant Ed Gardner, who unfortunately passed away last year at the age of 85. 3, 4, 5, 6. Always important to count the full 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. There's the 10 complete. Corporal Hanley's only a few hundred feet to the ground now. It's really important, guys, that we give him one massive cheer on that last 200 feet as he comes in. He's going to do a high performance landing at a degree of 270 degrees. Thinking of this of going bigger, 7,000 square feet. We've got Corporal French, who's the jump master today, and Lance Corporal Bellingham, both from the 3rd Battalion of the Parachute Regiment. Corporal French has been in the team now for over 10 years, highly experienced individual. Pass here please for Lance Corporal Danny Watson. And just following him now, Lance Corporal Louis Cuddy, with the support out of Paris flag as well. Big cheer as he comes into land please. Looking up now, you will see 2 canopies attached. On the Union flag we have Corporal Henry Mole. Precise landing. Big cheer for him as well. Ladies and gentlemen, as always, it's a massive honour to come to the Farnborough Airshow.